Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel, where we bring you the world's most extraordinary machines on wheels. And today, you're about to step inside something that redefines luxury travel. This isn't just a motorhome, this is a $2 million rolling palace. The 2026 luxury motorhome that leaves even five-star resorts in the dust. From the very first glance, its commanding exterior presence already screams exclusivity, polished metallic accents, aerodynamic design, and a body that combines elegance with strength. This motorhome looks more like a luxury yacht gliding on the highway, but the true magic begins when you step inside. The living room welcomes you with plush Italian leather sofas, a 75-inch 8K smart TV, surround sound that feels like a private cinema, and mood lighting that shifts with a touch, creating the perfect atmosphere whether you're relaxing, entertaining, or simply taking in the road ahead through panoramic windows. The kitchen is a dream for any chef. Custom cabinetry, marble countertops, a full-sized refrigerator, induction cooktop, and even a smart oven that can be controlled by voice command. Cooking on the road has never felt this refined. When it's time to retreat, the bedroom delivers pure elegance. A king-size bed with memory foam and luxury linens, ambient lighting above, and an integrated entertainment wall, all while you enjoy an expansive view through privacy-tinted windows. It's like having a luxury suite that moves with you. Even the bathroom is designed as a spa experience. Heated floors, rainfall shower, a touchless vanity, and gold accent fixtures that rival luxury hotels. Every detail whispers sophistication, but luxury isn't only about comfort, it's about smart technology too. This motorhome is equipped with AI climate control, automated leveling, solar-powered energy management, and even a voice-activated system that lets you control everything from curtains to entertainment with a single command. Imagine traveling the world with all of this luxury, never compromising on comfort, privacy, or elegance. This is more than a motorhome, it's the future of high-end travel. And the price tag of $2 million. For those who can afford it, it's not just a purchase, it's a lifestyle. So would you live in this rolling mansion? Or do you think it's too much for the road? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Auto Plus for more incredible machines and jaw-dropping reviews.